Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by St. Thomas and we're going to give you an update on the Suncoast Beach Club. Now it seems as if work has stopped or construction has stopped on this development. As you can see straight ahead, you see all the equipment parked, and I noticed the last few times we came out here, you didn't see any work being done, like nobody actually physically working, and the equipment was parked here again. And we put up a video recently and some people commented that the work had stopped, so we had checked it out and it seems as if it has stopped. Now, not sure why, so if anybody knows what's going on, you can leave your comments in the section below. So these are the units being built, and as you can see, no work is going on. This is a weekday in around midday. Now this is a mega development in St. Thomas, a $45 billion development. It involves units, residential units, and those buildings to the right is a commercial center that was being built. Now, on average, the two-bedroom townhouses, the prices were $420,000 US. The two-bedroom duplex, which is a Type C unit, started at $520,000 US, and Type D unit, which is a three-bedroom duplex, started at US $580,000 US. So basically, the prices run from $420,000 US to $580,000 US. I'm not sure what the sales are like. If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. We'll keep you guys updated on this development, but for now it seems as if the development has stopped. Now this area of St. Thomas is like 15 minutes from the Harborview roundabout, 15 minutes from the airport. So it's a good location, easy access. You have the highway, but for a very long time St. Thomas has been known as the forgotten parish, and it's just recently, since the highway has been built, that a lot of investment is pouring into St. Thomas. So as I said earlier, we're not 100% sure as to why it has stopped. That's actually the highway, world-class highway, very nice road, and the development is actually on both sides of the highway. They have a tunnel that goes underneath the highway that connects both sides. Alright guys, let us know what you think and leave your comments in the section below as to why you think this development stopped. Alright guys, have a good day.